It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, the 29th of January. Maybe a few little scattered showers around today. The next really widespread rain for the state will come late this weekend on Sunday. Next week, colder. Now let's go in there and take a look at things. This is the water vapor satellite view this morning. And those of you that are meteorologically inclined will likely see that shortwave over the Midwest. And you can see that little band of clouds moving into Alabama in advance of that. That's an Alberta clipper. This thing originated over Canada. We are starting off the day with numbers all over the board. As I often say, this is not a good one-number place when you forecast lows on a morning like this. You've got Gadsden at 28, Birmingham at 45. But everybody should wind up in the low 60s today. Pretty comfortable for this time of the year. These are highs yesterday, and we saw a really warm nose coming up through Texas and Oklahoma. In fact, temperatures were nearing 80 at Dallas-Fort Worth and Oklahoma City. But again, low 60s today. Then we cool back down tomorrow and Saturday with highs going back in the 50s. Up on the watch warning map, most of the issues are around the Great Lakes and over the Northeast. With this clipper involving snow, no problems down this way. This is the overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday morning, suggesting about 1 inch for the northern part of Alabama. The bulk of that will, of course, come on Sunday and Sunday night. Let's dive in and take a look. Here's the GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid today at 1 o'clock, noon, local time. And you can see the wave energy north of the state, and down below that, the bulk of the really significant precipitation is north of the state, with rain showers down into Tennessee and Kentucky and snow over Michigan. We'll check the high-res HER model, and I think this is going to verify pretty well. It's got that little batch of showers that's over northwest Alabama now. In fact, let me show you the radar. This is what it looks like as I do this update. This was at 5:08. You can see that little batch of showers entering northwest Alabama at this point. And now here's the HER model, and you can see that it's got those showers over northeast Alabama at 9 o'clock this morning. And then by 2 o'clock, it's basically all gone. Something could redevelop on that boundary maybe later this afternoon or this evening, but obviously this is not going to be a big rain event. Many of you will not see a drop of rain today. So this is tomorrow. Be cooler. The high will be in the low 50s. Bright, sunny weather. Should be a cloudless sky. Saturday, as the weekend begins, the morning's going to be cold. I think we'll do mid to upper 20s Saturday morning. The GFS is printing 27. The NAM also printing 27. And then the high will likely be in the middle 50s. The sky will be partly sunny. No rain Saturday, and that's the dry day. And then you can see the rain off to the west. And this is Sunday at noon, and we are wet. Curiously, the GFS had a couple of dry runs yesterday, but now we're back on the widespread rain, and we've not changed the forecast, and we won't. We'll just mention a good chance of rain with snow north of the state. The big snows, Indianapolis, Cincinnati, Pittsburgh. This is midnight Sunday night, 12 a.m. Monday. A 1,010 millibar surface low is moving up the Appalachians, and snow continues over West Virginia. Maybe Washington, D.C. and Baltimore getting some good snow Sunday night. And evidence of the rain changing to snow down into middle Tennessee around Nashville. The rain is tapering off here. And then this is Monday at 6 a.m., and there's clearly a chance of light snow flurries or snow showers over North Alabama early Monday morning. The impact should be negligible. Temperatures will likely be above freezing, but clearly there could be some light snow or snow flurries early Monday with little or no impact. And then by noon, most of that should be out of here. And let me tell you what now, Monday's going to be a cold day. We've got highs in the 40s, but I'll just say the GFS is now printing a high of 39. And it could very well be a day we stay in the 30s all day. Strong north wind, that's going to be raw and cold. Maybe some clearing Monday afternoon. And this is Tuesday. We're dry. Tuesday morning's going to be cold. I mean, we could be down there toward 20 degrees. We're going to revise the numbers down, and then the high will be in the mid to upper 40s. The sky should be mostly sunny on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, the next feature that remnant part of the system over Mexico lifts out, and this is suggesting rain Wednesday, mainly over the southern half of the state. We have seen other runs that show rain statewide. We mentioned a chance of rain for us Wednesday, and we'll adjust the forecast as need be. And then Thursday, that wave is on by. And again, it's going to be highs around 50 on these days. And this is the end of the forecast on the 7th of February. The broad ridging in the west and troughing in the east. And again, this is showing a pretty cool look, but not, bitterly cold. Temperatures coming off the ensemble. You can see that cold look on Monday with a high only at 40. So after the rain Sunday, Monday looks to be perhaps the coldest day of the next 15 days. You see the Arctic Oscillation does go negative as we start into February, and so does the NAO to some degree. And it just seems to open up a cold and unsettled look. For you snow fans, maybe there's something in there for you at some point in the first half of the month, but obviously we can't be specific at this point. We'll just have to wait and see. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.